Someone made over 100,000 naira last week just by sharing a link online. No shop, no office, no stress. That's the power of affiliate marketing. And today I'm breaking it down step by step so you can start earning from your phone or laptop. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button. Just stay with me because this video might be the video that changes your financial life forever. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is like being a digital middleman, like being an agent to a house. You recommend a product or service, someone clicked your link, they buy, you earn, and boom, it's that simple. Let's say you love a budgeting app. You tell your friend to try it using your link. They sign up, you get paid. It's like referral bonus, but on a global scale and with unlimited earning potential. So instead of being just a buyer online, you become a smart earner. Choose your money niche before you run off and start posting links everywhere. You need to pause. You need a niche. Think of it as your area of influence. Pick something you love and people are willing to spend on. Is it fitness? Recommend gym wear, workout app. Are you into tech? Promote gadgets and software. Are you into beauty? Try and share skincare routine and affiliate link. I need to give you a bonus. Are you aware that finance, health, and tech are evergreen? People are always buying in this niche. What you need to do is to join affiliate program. Now you've got a niche. Where do you get the links that pay you? Search for affiliate programs of your choice, sign up, get your unique link, and now you're ready to turn a click into cash. How to promote your link? Okay, so you've got your link. Now what? Don't just post and pray. You need to create content that attract the clicks. Here's how to get it. YouTube video like this one you're watching. On Instagram, TikTok, do a fun skit, reels or tutorial. Is it on blog posts or Facebook? Review or rank products. You can also do it on email newsletter. Give value and drop your link. Here is a hot tip you need to know. People don't buy from links. They buy from people they trust. So don't just say buy this and say, here is how these tools help me save money. No, it can help you too. That's value. Watch your growth. Once your link is out there, track your clicks using tools of any of your choice. If a post is bringing in click, double down, tweak your content, try new title. Remember, small improvement is equal to big results over time. Don't make these mistakes. Let me save you from headaches. Avoid this affiliate sin. Don't promote things you don't believe. Don't spam your link everywhere. That's just annoying. Don't ignore your audience. Build trust, not just traffic. Instead, all you need is offer real help, recommend what you actually use, share honest experience, and that's how you build a brand that earns daily. You don't need to be famous. All you need is right strategy, consistency, and the belief that yes, you too can earn online. Affiliate marketing isn't luck, it's leverage. It's using your word, influence, and creativity, build income that works even when you are asleep. The best time to start was yesterday. The next opportunity is right now. So hit the like button if this is valuable, subscribe for more money making guides, and drop a comment. I'm ready to start, and I will reply you with my top affiliate tips just for you. Thank you.